BMW refreshes iconic logo. Across all models, BMW is rolling out a subtly redesigned logo to its entire vehicle lineup, starting next month. The update, first previewed on the iX3 in September, marks a minor evolution of the brand's famous roundel, which has seen only incremental changes over the past century. Refined aesthetics, familiar heritage. The most noticeable shift is the removal of the inner chrome circle, resulting in a flatter, more streamlined appearance. BMW's design chief, Oliver Heilmer, explained that the goal was to maintain brand recognition while enhancing precision. "We wanted to keep the heritage, but bring more precision to the logo. The chrome is still there, the letters have been refined with a shiny pattern you often find in watches, and the white surfaces now sit closer to the outer ring. It's flat, but when you touch it, you can still feel the ridges." The new design retains the core elements of the original roundel, but incorporates more contemporary textures and a refined finish. The automaker is also preparing an updated M Performance logo, set to debut in February, though details remain scarce. Gradual evolution, not revolution. BMW has historically favored incremental updates to its branding, making this change consistent with its long-term approach. The company previously introduced a monochrome logo for high-end models in 2017, signaling a willingness to experiment within established guidelines. This refresh is unlikely to drastically alter public perception of the BMW brand. The changes are subtle enough that most consumers may not immediately notice the difference. However, in a competitive market, even minor branding adjustments can contribute to a sense of modernity and refinement. Conclusion: BMW's logo update is less of a radical overhaul and more of a quiet refinement. The automaker is continuing its tradition of gradual evolution, ensuring that its iconic branding remains recognizable while subtly adapting to contemporary design trends.